Okay, this is Lab 13, Deploying and Managing IPAM. Part of the Configuring Advanced Windows Server 2012 Services R2 Lab Manual, which is the series of Microsoft Official Academic Course in preparation for exam 70-412. Okay, so this lab we're going to be installing an IPAM on the member server and then configuring the IPAM. So let's get started. Looks like we're only going to be working with RWDC01 and our server 1. So in this first exercise, we're going to install the IPAM feature on the server. We're looking at what tools are added to the Windows Server 2012 R2 to plan, manage, track, and audit IP addresses. The approximate time for this is about 10 minutes. So let's get started. I'm already on and logged into RWDC01. And we are going to go into, actually we want server 1. And I'm logged into server 1 as Contoso/administrator. So I'm going to go into manage and add roles and features. Next. Next. We're going to click server 1. Next. Let's select server roles page. We're going to click on next. And in the features page, we're going to select IP management server. And click on add features. And then we're going to click on next. And then install. And I'm going to pause the video while we wait for this to install. Okay, it looks like it completed, so we're going to go ahead and close this. And this is the end of this exercise and the end of this video. I know this was a quick video, but the next one is going to be about 40 minutes, so it's going to be its own.